Today we're going to make some ornaments that are going to be for the Halloween tree, and I'm also going to show you some cool ornaments I picked up this year and how mine's turning out so far. So first thing's a really easy one. So I purchased little frames, $2.49. I did not get them at a half off, but there's 3 of them in here, 2 silver, 1 gold. Of course, if there's any you don't like, you can just spray paint those. And then I printed off some images to put in those. Of course, you just need a printer and some ink. And to get them that small, what I did is I just copy and pasted the little tiny image that you see on Google Images so that it wasn't too big. So, looks like it's going to be the right size. So I have some things for Nightmare Before Christmas. And looky looky. Short and simple for that one. And then I have these little cutout things that I bought, if you guys saw on the supply video. And if you can find something similar, great. If not, that's fine too. I mean, you can it's just cardboard, but you could probably just get craft paper and cut something out that's fancy. Just make a hole for a picture. When I saw them, they're just really Halloweenish to me. They're actually cards, like Christmas cards. And they have this little stand so they could be a picture frame. But I think they'd be great if you had like a Halloween party to where you wanted to put the descriptions of what you had, like the different food or the different drinks that you make. Like maybe you have a Jello shot table and you put this in front with what's inside the Jello shots. I'm going to do the same thing. Have Google Images I'm going to put inside of these. And I'm actually going to just use those for decoration around the office. And then I have the clear ornaments that I picked up for 99 cents for the 4 of them that are left at Goodwill. And I've got some dirt. Go out in your backyard, scoop you a cup up. My little garland guys that you get at 99 cents or Dollar Tree. A bunch of their heads are gone from our potion project, so I'm going to use their different body parts to make the ornaments. Got some ribbon. These are ribbon and a roll of black sequins. These were both from Dollar Tree. This is if you just want to spruce the ornaments up. And black marker, because I don't like the gold. Scissors. And some craft wire. We'll grab in a second. Go on and grab my craft wire. It's galvanized wire from the 99-cent store. I've got a little funnel to get my dirt into those little tiny ornaments. So the first one we're going to start with easy project. Easiest is going to be our little frames, turning those into ornaments. So, when you're doing your ornaments, just like any other time you've got pictures, you want to get lined up exactly how you would like that picture to fit within your frame. Fit everything up. Looks super cute. Alright, so simple enough. Now to make these into ornaments, you're just going to take some hot glue. So I got my glue gun heating up here, and craft wire. So for the wire, you just need it large enough to make a little hook. That's going to be how you hang it on your Halloween tree. So that is the finished project for the first one. I'm going to duplicate the process on the other two. I'll show you how those turn out and I'll be right back. This is our finished product. I've got all 3 ornaments done. Got Jack and Sally, a couple different characters, and Jack. So now for the next project, I'm going to take the glass ornaments, and I'm going to remove the tops, and I'm going to use the funnel to put a little bit of dirt. And then once we put our little bit of dirt in, we'll add some bones. And these are just really thin, cheap plastic. They're just $1. So you can cut off all kinds of different bones to add in here. But we're just going to drop those in randomly. Have some, what angle you look at. They can be at different layers, or you can lay them all on top. And I'm just gonna put that in, and like a little graveyard type thing. And then since I don't like my gold top, I'm gonna color that with the Sharpie. Dirt got moved around some more. And there's that. So you can also use things like the ribbon. You can drop ribbon in there and do like spiders and things. But that's going to be mine. I'm going to continue those. I'll show you how that turns out, so I'll be back again. Welcome back. So I have all of my little ornaments here with the bones and the dirt. It's like little graveyard ornaments. Another really quick, easy, cheap craft. So we'll add those to our little pile. And then I'm going to start working on these that I have the cutouts for. Oh. So I'm just going to remove the photo part. So there's my first sign, the eat, drink, and be scary. Again, this is something you can use just as decoration. You can take this back off of here if you want to and just hang that as a little sign if you have like a desk at work or just around your house. What also is a cute idea is if you do something like this and maybe put your past Halloween pictures of like you and your family, kids in their costumes, and that way you can add that to your tree too. Or you can also use these as place markers. So instead of doing like these signs, you can maybe do a small Halloween picture and then like your guest's name on it. That's also a great idea if you're gonna go a little nicer, maybe with a formal dinner for your Halloween. And I'm gonna continue to do that as well with all my different cutouts. I'll show you guys how that turns out. And we'll be using some of those just around, again, just my office. So Won't be something you'll be able to see up, but it's another idea that you can use for your Halloween trees as well. I've got all of the different frames filled in with different pictures. Again, this could be something for the office. Lots of different uses for that project. We have our ornaments that we've done, and now I'm going to put everything on the tree. I'll share my Halloween tree with you guys, and I will also tell you where I found some great ornaments this year. This is the little Halloween tree that I picked up. So this was in the supply video. Picked it up for 20 bucks at the grocery. So my topper is this little, well, she's kind of big compared to the tree size, but she's like a Marie Antoinette looking skeleton lady. She was at Walmart last year, and she was either $14.99 or $19.99. I love her to death. And then here are all my ornaments. The pups are playing. So, neat little ornaments I found at different places. And then of course I'll add the others that we made tonight. But we have these spider ornaments. They're beaded. Try to pull that away to show you better. Beaded spider. That was $3.99. That was at Tuesday morning. We have this lady. Oh, she's got a little sign. Her little sign's turned. This metal lady I was actually given, but I think she might be Hallmark. I have the little witch hats. The little witch hats are $9.99 at Michael's. You can get those on sale. Here's another spider. All of the spiders that are like this with the jewels, these were only $1.99 at Tuesday morning. She was at Tuesday morning. She was $4.99, like a Day of the Dead bride. Another little Halloween hat. And then here's some tags that I actually got off eBay from another really clever idea. You guys can do that on your own too. Get some tags, find some old photos. And then we have him. Love him. He's a Day of the Dead guy too from Tuesday morning. He is also $4.99. And some more spiders. This is what most of the spiders look like at Tuesday morning. So, that's the finished product, and show you everything else together.